said, I'm back as promised to help you learn how to put some sound through the instrument. You bought a horn, you want to get better, and you don't know how to make a sound. I mean, it's okay. So you got your horn put together already. We did that in the last video. Now, we want to get some sound out of this thing. All right, so cool. You got your reed on correctly and your mouthpiece on correctly, you should be able to get a decent sound out. So watch this. Mouthpiece, you bite down. You say, hey, mama. You bite down, show your teeth. And this underside of the mouthpiece is going to sit right on your lip, on your bottom lip. Teeth, lip, teeth, lip, teeth, lip, close. Teeth, lip, close. All right, so rewind that. So I don't have to do it 20 more times. And then we want to breathe in while we're playing, while we have our mouth on the mouthpiece. So let some air in. Let some air in. Put the air out. That note is actually a C sharp. That's the note that comes out when you don't press any keys. Breathe in. Notice I'm not moving my lip. My mouthpiece is still resting on my lip. My teeth are still resting on the top of the mouthpiece. All right, so now let's go back to those notes that we talked about earlier. 1, 2, 3 for G. Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe in. So corners open, just to let the air through. Corners closed. And that's how you make a sound on the saxophone.